ProbStats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 8 Friday. How are you guys doing? You guys made it to the end this week. Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. Keep in mind that your warm-up log is due on Week 9 Friday for 300 points, and today is Week 8 Friday. So you guys have exactly 1 more week to go before you have 300 points inserted into your grades. So I will highly recommend that if you have any empty boxes that you go back to MS Team, look at those boxes which indicate which week and day it's missing for, and then go ahead and do that. You can watch the video. You can go ahead and just watch the beginning of the video. Make sure you have the warm-up 3 questions in there and everything is filled out. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and get started with today's stuff. So today is Week 8 Friday, ProbStats Semester 2. Today I'm going to talk about continuous compound interest, which is A is equal to P-E-R-T or a Pert. Your instruction is to make sure you guys are watching this, the video in its entirety. And then more importantly, you have to check in with me before the end of 5th and 6th period to ensure that you're not going to be marked absent. And of course, you need to upload everything by 3 p.m. So just keep that in mind. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and get started with today's stuff. So let's take a look to see where we are in terms of how we are working here. Keep in mind that you can actually ignore those peaks right here. You guys are right here for February 26th. After that, this is week 8. Next week is week 9, then week 10. Then you have your spring break. We come back for week 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and week 20 is the week of the finals. Our last day of school is June 9th, just so you guys know how this is broken down. All right, first thing I would like you guys to do is you are going to watch a video on Pixar's Piper, okay? And so the link of the video is actually right over here. So make sure you type this in, but make sure you have a capital P-R-B-I-B-C-X, and that's it, and everything else is lowercase. If you go ahead and type that in, you will be able to see the video itself, and it looks something like this. And it just shows you of a bird, which I'm not going to show you the entire clip, but it's about 3 minutes, and I would like you guys to watch that. After you have watched the video clip, there are a few questions. First question is, what is the moral of Piper? So let's go ahead and have you guys pause the video and go ahead and watch it. And when you're done watching it, you can go ahead and unpause it. Okay, so second question is, what is a conflict in Piper? And then third question is, what are your initial thoughts after watching the video? And why would you recommend this video to someone else? So pause the PowerPoint and go ahead and answer these questions. These are those responses that I wrote down, so yours could be similar or different than mine, but I thought it was a very endearing video, and so I thought it would be good to share with you guys. All right, next what I would like you guys to do is go ahead and take a look at the worksheet today. If you don't have a copy of this, that's totally fine. It's okay. You're welcome to go ahead and just write it down or show your work on a separate piece of paper. So today we're going to talk about continuous compound interest, which is a continuation what we talked about yesterday. This right here is your formula. It's called Pert. Notice that there's an E right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at maybe question number 2, okay? It says Jacob invested $8,634 in a savings account with a fixed annual interest of 0.267. Continuously, the word continuously is synonymous with this formula. What will be the count after 6 years? So this is your formula here. A equals your initial investment, E to the rate of 0.267 times T, which is 6. All right, so first thing that I would suggest that you guys do is you want to make sure you have a calculator and you take 0.267 times 6, which gives you E to the 1.602. Now, your E button is a little bit kind of a weird button, and I know some people will not be able to find it. And so let me go ahead and show you where it is. Okay, so if you have a regular calculator, you'll see it. It's kind of on the left side, but if you don't have a calculator and you just have your cell phone, that's okay. You can just go ahead and use a Google. So you're gonna hit the E right there, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead, actually, let's go back to that. That's not good. Let's see. E, how do I get the exponent button here? I've actually never used this before. Oh, there we go. And then my exponent, once again, is 1.602. 1.602. Enter, and this is your number right here. So your number is going to be 4.963. All right, so we're going to write that down as 4.963. Don't forget the time, your initial investment. This right here is your, what we called a multiplier, because that's what we're going to use to multiply your initial investment. So we can go back and times the 8634. So we're going to go back and multiply by 8634. So times 8634, and your grand total is 42,850. So 42,850. So this is how much money you're going to get after 6 years with just investing $8,600 initially, which is a pretty big return if you ask me. Okay, so that pretty much tells you to go ahead and save your money and not spend it on the latest AirPod if you can help it. All right, you guys, so what I'm going to have you guys do is go ahead and answer the following questions of 1, 3, and 4. I do have the answers given to you on the very bottom, so go ahead and take a look at this, and this is your assignment for today, so make sure you guys upload it. All right, I hope you have a wonderful week, and as always, stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, sorry, I have one more thing for you guys to do. Just kidding. The next thing I would like you guys to do is you're going to practice a little bit more on a quizzes. And I will go ahead and assign this to you guys for a while. So let's go ahead and do this one on. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and do it on the first one. I'm going to just click on assign homework. It is due assign. And so you just need to do this on your own pace. Make sure you guys go ahead and type in joinmyquiz.com and then type in the code 02052-540 and work on it on your own pace. There are 16 questions for this, so just keep that in mind. And then when you're done with it, you can just go ahead and take a screenshot of that and upload it for me. So let's go over here. So quiz is continuous compound, 16 multiple choice questions. And let me put the link in here. All right, you guys, as always, stay safe and healthy. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. And I will see you guys the next time. Take care.